Take a look at this AI blog that got 1 million impressions in the last 3 months. Before, blogging used to be very hard. Keyword research, writing, SEO optimization, but with AI, this has become extremely easy. Let me show you exactly step by step how to do it right now. Step number 1, I need to select a niche. So the first thing I did was go to ChatGPT, but then I remembered I watched this insanely good video called 74 Successful Niche Site Ideas, where they actually got data of how many page views they have, as well as how much money they make. The niche is so important because whatbirdsareInMyBackyard.com makes $1,800 a month compared to a bios for famous people that is just making $120 a month. After watching this amazing video, I came up with my idea. I want to talk about e-bikes. They're pretty expensive, so if I can make some affiliate commissions, that will still be about $100 per sale in my pocket. Also, come on, these look so goddamn cool. When I go to Google Trends and search e-bikes, you can see that the trend is just pointing upwards, so I'm pretty happy with this decision. Did you also find your niche? Well then, let's go to step number 2. Buy the domain name. This is important so we rank better and people can remember our name. The main criteria I'm looking for is that we actually have e-bikes in the name. So let's just start off with ebikes.com, which is obviously taken. So we're gonna go to instant domains, put e-bikes in here, and here we can get a bunch of suggestions. I actually quite like this ebikesgroup.com. So I'll go back to Namecheap, add to cart, add the WordPress hosting, and go to checkout. Apply a promo code. Now just drop a like for me spending $14. Thanks for your purchase. But obviously we can't do anything yet until, did you find your domain yet? That's great, but it won't really matter until we go to step number 3. Set up the website, because we need people to be able to go to our website. Just click on apps and go to easy WordPress. Select the name of your website, select your domain from Namecheap, pick the theme 2024. We're gonna change this later, and we're gonna download some plugins like Yoast SEO. Let's review our details and click on continue. It says it takes a few minutes to possibly a few hours, but usually it goes pretty quick. Hey, our website eBikes group is now available. So step number 4, let's just go to the VP admin, and we're now inside of WordPress. As you can see, when they visit the site, you'll go right to this website with a basic theme. All we need to do is click on appearance, themes, click on add new theme, and we can search from thousands of different WordPress themes. I'm gonna search for GeneratePress and let's install this theme. Now it looks like this. Obviously there's so much we can do with web design, but that's going to be for another video. What I want to focus on next is step number 5, generating AI articles. Go to SEOWriting.AI because this is the website that can create AI articles for us. I've tried many of them and this is my favorite so far. They have the one-click blog post and the bulk article generation that I'll show you in just a second. But before that, we need to integrate into our WordPress website. If you think this is cool, I can't wait to show you the end. Just click on integrations and you'll need to install this WordPress plugin. Just click here to download, click on plugins, and in the top, add new plugin, upload plugin, and drag the file in here. Now just install. Activate plugin, click on settings, and connect. Just like that, you can see our website is here. Now, let the fun begin. Step number 7, make AI generated articles. This is obviously because we don't want to make the content ourselves. We want AI to do it, but we can only rank on Google if the articles are actually good. So let me click on the one-click blog post. The main keyword is going to be best electric bike. I'm going to click on generate a title. I'm not sure I like the first alternative. This is the title I came up with. Now there's a lot we can do. As you can see, the article size goes from extra small to large, which is up to 5,200 words. We're gonna get it to maximum 2,400. The tone of voice, I actually want informational. Point of view, I want them to talk in second person, you, your, yours, and target country, I'll choose US. They also have details to include, so if you want to include something in every single article, you can always type name of the company or even put your favorite e-bikes down here to make it write about them again and again. But I have to say, one of my favorite features is the media hub. As you can see, it creates images for us using AI, and the images turn out usually pretty good. I'm doing 7 number of images in the image style of photo. You can also have all these other different styles, and you can even add YouTube videos that can make the blog article even more helpful, which makes it rank even more on Google. For our purpose, we might have to find images of the bikes themselves, but we can supplement with maybe driving around an e-bike on the city or in the mountains or going on hikes with an e-bike. So we're still going to keep a lot of them in. For SEO, we're going to click on the NLP keyword generation for some SEO keywords. It finds the good ones right away, like the one we're actually targeting. Now, what's important in the structure part is sometimes you don't want some of these. For example, key takeaway bullets in the beginning of your article. I'll show you how it looks like. Maybe you don't want to have that. It's all up to the preference. Some articles, maybe an FAQ is warranted, but some not. I'll keep them all on so you can see all the different styles. I'll think you'll be impressed. We can also connect to the network. I'm gonna do that because I want to have some source links and real-time search results published to web. Yes, I'll post the status as a draft and not published right away. Tags I'll keep for now, and I want the main keyword URL, very important, to try to rank more on Google. The last step is the language model, where they actually use a combination of different models to make it cheaper for you. I also added my Open API key so it spends less words. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to run. Let me show you the result. As you can see, they've generated some images just like I talked about, which we probably should change. Also, when I talked about the structure, some of these I actually don't like to keep in here, which is why I toggled them away. Now, when we continue going down, you can see that they have these amazing looking tables. I really like how they're bolding different words. Here you see the YouTube video with a quote underneath, which just helps them way too much, makes them stick on the page. Continues going down to the next ones. This image here is probably, again, pretty bad. You'll see the next one here as well, key features, as well as just listen to this, like 350 watt mid-drive motor, 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery, hydraulic disc brake system. Somebody reading this will actually go, that was exactly what I wanted to know. Now, here is actually an image that we could add in that doesn't really matter that much. The same with this mountain bike here as well, could perfectly be fine in an article. But as you can see, as we're going down this article, I feel like it's just so well written. I don't know about you, but it just looks so beautiful. Even with the FAQ at the bottom, source links as well. However, there are things I would change. Like for example, taking away different images. Also, I would love for it to be a number before the header, but that is actually things we have to do on our own. Now, the rule I have here is let AI do 90% of the work, and then we fix the intro and the formatting. The last 10% of actual work makes it so much better, and it probably takes just about 5 minutes per article. Now I can just click on publish. It goes to my website, post status publish, and let's go. Click here to view your published article, and there you have it. You now created a full AI blog completely from scratch using AI to do the work. Go all in this strategy, and if you need help, check out Patreon down below to contact me directly, and click the link in the description to go to SEOWriting.AI and get started for free. No credit card required. If you do decide to purchase, use code AIND for a 25% discount. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.